Hello student, today's topic is sexual reproduction. Definition of sexual reproduction is sexual reproduction is the process which involves the production of offspring by formation and fusion of gametes. सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ही रिप्रोडक्शनची अशी प्रोसेस आहे ज्यात गॅमेट तयार होतात आणि त्यांचं फ्युजन होतं. गॅमेटचं फ्युजन होणे म्हणजेच फर्टिलायझेशन होणे आणि त्याच्यापासून एम्ब्रियो तयार होतो. तो एम्ब्रियो एका नवीन इंडिव्हिज्युअलमध्ये ग्रो होणार. या प्रकारच्या रिप्रोडक्शनला आपण सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन असे म्हणतो. आफ्टर बर्थ baby develops into an adult. This entire process of development is divided into two phases, juvenile phase and reproductive maturity phase. In juvenile phase, individual reproductive system is under development and during this phase it cannot produce gametes. After this, individual attains reproductive maturity phase where it can produce gametes. When individual attains reproductive maturity phase, it shows secondary sexual character. Secondary sexual characters are also known as sexual dimorphic character because on the basis of this character we can differentiate the sexes of humans as male and female. In case of male, the secondary sexual characters are presence of beard, presence of mustache, hair on chest, muscular body and enlarged larynx. While in case of female, secondary sexual characters are developed breast, broader pelvis and high-pitched voice. Reproductive maturity phase has three subphases: pre-fertilization phase, fertilization phase and post-fertilization phase. So first one is pre-fertilization phase. As the name suggests, pre means before the fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete. फर्टिलायझेशन प्रोसेसच्या आधी गॅमेट्स तयार झाले पाहिजे आणि ज्या प्रोसेसने गॅमेट्स तयार होतात त्या प्रोसेसला आपण म्हणतो गॅमेटोजेनेसिस. आफ्टर गॅमेटोजेनेसिस, मेल पार्टनर ट्रान्सफर इट्स गॅमेट्स into the female reproductive system. This process is known as insemination. After insemination process, fusion of male and female gametes occur and this process is known as fertilization. After fertilization, post-fertilization subphase occur. Post-fertilization, as the name suggests, post means after. After the fertilization, zygote formation and embryogenesis takes place. Let's study these three phases in detail. Pre-fertilization subphase include gametogenesis and insemination. Gametogenesis is the process of production of gametes. This is carried out in the gonads. Gonads are testes in male and ovary in female. Male produces sperm as their gamete in testes and female produces egg or ova as their gamete in ovary. In case of female, formation of egg or ova is known as oogenesis, as we can see in the neighboring diagram. While in case of male, production of sperm is known as spermiogenesis. Gametes are formed by meiosis. Next step in pre-fertilization process is insemination. Insemination is the transfer of gametes from male into the female reproductive system during mating. After insemination, second subphase occur which is called as fertilization. Definition of fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gamete. In the neighboring diagram, we can see that the gamete from female, that is egg or ovum, and the gamete from male, that is sperm, they fuse together and form a single cell zygote. This process of fusion of gamete is known as fertilization. In man, fertilization is internal because fusion of gamete is takes place inside the body of that animal, so it is internal fertilization. After fertilization subphase, post-fertilization events occur such as zygote formation and embryogenesis. After fertilization, egg nucleus and sperm nucleus they fuse together and form a single cell structure. This single cell structure is known as zygote, and this process is known as zygote formation. This zygote will grow or develop into an embryo. This process is known as embryogenesis. Next term is gestation. Gestation is the period in which development of embryo takes place inside the body of the mother. In the following diagram we can see how the embryogenesis takes place, means how the zygote will develop into a baby. So the entire period of embryogenesis up to the parturition is known as gestation. After the process of embryogenesis, means after the completion of development of embryo, parturition takes place. Parturition is the process of giving birth. In our next lecture we will study male reproductive system.